In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to change Steam password on PC if you want to improve your account security or just update an old password. Steam makes the process fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside the Steam desktop app on your computer. To begin, open Steam and look to the top left corner of the window. Click Steam to open the main drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This is where Steam keeps most of the account and app preferences you may need to manage. Once the settings window opens, go to Security. This section is where you can review and update the parts of your account related to protection and sign-in. After that, click Change Password to start the password update process. At this point, Steam will usually ask you to verify your identity before letting you make any changes. This is an important security step designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. You may be given the option to verify using your email or through the Steam mobile app. Choose whichever method is available and most convenient for you, then complete the verification prompt. In some cases, Steam may also ask you to enter your current password. If that happens, type it in carefully and continue. This extra check helps confirm that you're the owner of the account and adds another layer of protection. Next, enter your new password and then confirm it by typing it again in the second field. Make sure both entries match exactly. It's a good idea to create a password that is strong and unique, something you're not already using on other websites or apps. A longer password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is usually a safer choice. After entering and confirming your new password, click Change Password or Finish, depending on what button appears on your screen. Once you do that, Steam should apply the update and save your new login credentials. There's also another way to change your password if you prefer not to do it through the desktop app. You can use Steam's account page and open the Steam account security settings there to complete the same task through your browser. And that's it. Your Steam password should now be updated. After changing it, it's a smart idea to sign back in carefully and make sure you remember the new password or store it in a secure password manager. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.